Guys, I'm gonna take you through to this property. Obviously, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've got an exciting video today because I've got a landlord that I've been working with for probably say about the last 4 years actually, because he's worked with me when I had my estate agent, and after that I've got some units with him, and he's been a great landlord of mine. And today he actually called me, and out of nowhere he went, "Piers, I was trying to sell a property somewhere and he couldn't sell it with the market and stuff, and he said, look, I'm trying to rent it out, do you want to come and see it?" Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is sometimes building a relationship is so important with landlords. And you know, when your phone rings and the deals are coming to you, you are in a completely different state, because now you've got positioning where, you know, people are struggling to find service accommodation properties, and effectively this is where I can now just go. I'm actually about to drive there, so I thought I'd take you guys there too. I'll show you around the property. And you know, he was trying to sell the property to now he's trying to let the property, and then he went straight away, called me as saying, before I put up in the market for to let, do you fancy coming and seeing it? So guys, a perfect timing for you guys to start enjoying how building relationship with landlords and your landlords that you're working with, or landlords you've worked with, is so important. Well, anyone new to this channel, guys, my name is Piers. I invest in service accommodation business. I've been helping a lot of people through my sourcing, my consulting, and also my online program. And recently I've worked, especially after the COVID, and you know, people are trying to get back into their business of service accommodation, I've been working with a lot of service accommodation owners who are obviously been running SA business for the last maybe 2 years. Some of my clients are quite new, they've been running it just after the pandemic. And listen, what we've started doing is we've started working with these clients as consulting and creating brands so that they pretty much get direct bookings. Now, if you haven't watched a few of my videos in my channel, I've made somebody £33,800 in 5 weeks by direct bookings. Now, this client had 2 units, was about to hand over her keys, and we've now managed to make her that money. I mean, it's been about 8-9 weeks now, but she's now moved on. She's got both her unit filled in. And do you know what? I love what service accommodation owners are doing right now, just by promoting. Nobody is just relying on online OTAs. So guys, if you are looking to, and if you're service accommodation owners and you are looking to grow your direct booking, please get in touch with us. I've actually done a free masterclass, which I'm going to leave a link down below. So now let's head to that property. I'm going to show you around the property, and it's basically a free lead right now I've got, which I'm going to go and look at it. I'll look at the actual property itself. I'm going to look at the location later. I'm going to do my due diligence. So sometimes, because I've just received a call, I might as well just go see the property first. Guys, this is the beauty of building relationship with landlords. So I've now literally received the keys. He's literally called me, you know, about 5-10 minutes ago, and I've now got the keys. Now the landlord has actually, you know, is actually put on sale with another estate agent. So now I've got a whole set of keys that I've got to myself, and I don't even have to worry about seeing the landlord. I don't have to worry about seeing the estate agent. I've got a set of keys that I can just literally go in and actually have a look at the property right now. So this is, again, what I want to go through this video is to build relationship with as many landlords you're going to work with, because this is the opportunity you're going to get. That, you know, landlords will call you, they give you the keys. I'm going to go and do my viewings myself. So guys, just a quick update. I thought while I'm sat in traffic, yeah, I've been driving through a nice country road, and I love them. You know, you pick up some farmhouses, or you'll see yeah, different things really. Like I've been seeing all new developments going around, you know, new houses being built and stuff, and it really gives you thoughts about where the property market's heading in the next few years. And I'm excited to share, you know, the journey today really for people like yourself who are either running service accommodation business or is looking to start service accommodation business. That relationship building is probably one of the most important thing in any property deal. And you know, if you keep that at your first and at your best, you're going to attract a lot more deals to your table, and you don't have to keep going and searching for them. So we're going to do a walkthrough video later. I'm excited to show you the weather's actually really bad, so I don't know if I'll be able to show you exactly how, you know, the outside looks like. So guys, yeah, here it is. So I've just done a little show reel for you on the video, and yeah, today I just a nice little lead from a direct landlord, and told me, you know, you can take the keys if you like and just go and see this property that I've worked with in a completely different area that I haven't invested on service accommodation. But you know what? I know there's people out there, you know, potentially other investors that I know who's going to take this deal on. So yeah, it was very, very great opportunity. And for me, it's not just about, you know, today's video, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to make sure that people understand that sometimes you don't have to worry about going into Rightmove, going into Open Rent and finding deals. Sometimes it's just literally finding you know, putting out there, and people will find you. Like, for example, this landlord has given me the keys, has given me everything, and today I'm here literally half an hour later looking at this property, and it is a beautiful property. It's 3 bedroom, 3 double bedroom, obviously brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom, absolutely all refurbished. I'm now going to head back, do some numbers, and yeah, this is exactly how you will find deals with service accommodation business.